Hello everyone. The technicians at this appliance repair shop, which is well known for its expertise, shared these tips with us. So pay close attention because we're going to fix this issue. When a concerned customer comes in with their dishwasher showing the 4C code, they often say, "Water won't enter," and the machine just blinks the code. Shop technicians know that this usually means there's a problem with the water inlet, whether it's the valve, the filter, or insufficient pressure, and the machine stops to protect itself. That's why our first check is always to ensure the water supply is properly connected, with no kinks or blockages in the hoses. Looking more closely, some customers tell us it seems like it's sucking in water, but it still shows 4C, which gives us clear clues. A technician explains, many times it's just the inlet valve filter filled with sediment, or the valve itself is blocked. Cleaning the filter and, if necessary, replacing the valve is usually enough to get the dishwasher running correctly again. On the other hand, water pressure in the house plays a crucial role. We've seen customers say, everything's connected but not enough water is coming in. In those cases, we measure the pressure and confirm that it's within Samsung's recommended range. If the pressure is low, the machine can't complete filling and the 4C reappears, so adjusting or ensuring proper flow is essential. It's also important to mention that Samsung has issued technical bulletins for certain models indicating that some valves were redesigned to prevent blockages. Technicians check whether your model requires this redesign, and if necessary, we replace the valve so the dishwasher operates safely and reliably.